Discover how top YouTubers dominate search results and grow their channels faster than ever. Want to uncover their secret weapon? It's called VidIQ, and it's revolutionizing content creation. Stick around as we reveal the top 10 features you need to grow your channel today. Before we dive in, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more tips, and let us know in the comments which VidIQ feature is your favorite. Real-time channel analytics give you insights into your performance, so you know what's working and what's not. Keyword research helps you discover the best topics to target with actionable data-driven suggestions. Competitor analysis lets you track other creators in your niche to stay ahead of the game. The Trending Videos tool shows you what's hot right now so you can jump on trends early. AI-powered title and description generators help you optimize your content for better reach. The Thumbnail Preview tool ensures your visuals grab attention before viewers even click. The Best Time to Post feature tells you exactly when your audience is most active. Daily ideas powered by AI inspire you with topics tailored to your niche and audience. The Video SEO score shows you how well your content is optimized for search rankings. Achievements and milestones keep you motivated as you hit key growth targets. Make sure to watch the related video in the corner to unlock even more tips for growing your channel.